How do you fix when the iPhone is asking for old Apple ID password? Let me explain it, and if you're new here, subscribe so we can get started. So of course, iPhone can only use one Apple ID account. So as you can see, I'm signed in with this one. But the reason why it's happening is probably because of this. So essentially, you use one Apple account. As you can see, this one, for example, I go to the App Store, I download some kind of app, whatever, I save it to my phone, right? And then it's going to be part of my device. If I then go to the settings, tap the account and sign out, it doesn't mean that the iPhone will be completely deleted, that all of the apps will disappear. I will still have the apps which I downloaded with the old Apple ID. I can sign out and switch to a new one, but some apps still remain downloaded through the previous Apple ID. So the reason why you get asked about the password is to basically authenticate yourself for those apps, or if there is like an update to be installed, you have to confirm it because you officially bought it, even though it might be free, with the previous Apple account. So the way to solve this really would be to delete the app which asks for an Apple ID password, right? Delete the one which you think that was downloaded with the previous Apple ID, and then download it with the new one. So you would just make sure you are signed in with the new Apple ID, go to the App Store, and then download it once again. So that's kind of how you can fix it. One more thing though, inside of the App Store, when you go to the profile right there, and you can see my account is in here, but I can go to the apps and purchase history. And if I go to my apps, I can see all of those which I downloaded with this account. And if I have an app on my iPhone which isn't part of this list right in here, that means that it was downloaded with a different Apple account. So yeah, you can kind of like check it out. For example, in my case, I have, for example, the Reddit or Instagram. And if I look it up inside of this list, you can see that yes, I indeed downloaded it through this app, through this account, and not the other. So that's kind of how you can check it out. So I hope it makes sense. I just wanted to explain how you can approach this. And if you're new on Foxtecc, subscribe and we can get into it.